Hadin wade penman ya ko overseas nursing job fair ninsnem. Heba de emplat ci hajar ngut ki nurse ki de wan wo chimenta. Wena kini de emar hanya ngut ki nurse ki wan Meghalaya. Wadi yo okre a Japan hadin wade pendep gi cha sikai yo klam Japanese. Wadi yo okre gi haki hospital wagi home care wa ema Japan. Hapok ke skills Meghalaya scheme ke sorkar Meghalaya dira poisa ke san power jar ke wi. Lembaga Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. Wega thong tok yo yirap ya lespa ngut ki nurse haki snem wan. Hei tok wa ini ne liang menteri rang ba konrad ke sangma da lai chu Japan. Yo hi cham wa kini ki nurse ki wadi yo okre ki wada pesnyaw ki men wada poi ki chak thong hapri chi boni e. Kam te pun tluru le ye ki wi wa wan chakmat wo chim ku bu ye ni galat wo kre cha bar ri yo pen yari start yong ki. Kini ki at hawnya ngut tok gradap register wa navis. Yo sikai klam Japanese wai wo pesnyaw thu cha pang dusturiti I wada pen man ha Bengaluru. Wena kini de em arausan ngut ku pa cha N4 wa N5 exam hai sin ng kong mo perchangki. Wadi yo gila e kre wena kini de em san ngut gwa yo bisa yo lai sa Japan wa ar ngut de dep gwa mi yo lai sa Japan ha ar nyaw tarik unaisan wa ki wadang sa dang peng kre ya bisa yong ki de em la ka so ngut ki nos gwa yo kre ha ki bobon ki thau sumar wa em Singapore wa kini daw lai kre ki ha kini ki le benai wa wan ye isi kai de pemman de chapau ngut gwa sikai ki wa Japan wa em navis I wa de pemman la e ni kam I wa job han la mon I wa e wa tip ukulami ki tin wa thme na drong ka navis de em la sa leteli ki sain ki wo kre yo pemman ye ni pen yo kre Wede dep soy so sekolah ha kanyau tu dik ubrai khat ar usnem ar dar hole yo pun yo kre ha Japan UK Singapore wa UAE ki ar ngut ku yo usdang kre to ha Kobe Kaisei Hospital ko em hasor Kobe gari Japan we gini to ga lai kermen khar de saw wa ka janisa lengdo nei liang ka lai kermen ko wana chnong umtreu riboh district de ongko de wan nei chnong wakhian hadu upo chado to Japan de mon ga gluti ko e bha tangwa de bayarap ublai u de em lang bai wa ka kamjo ki wa hayung hasem di yo men sen ko hado wa ye upoi thong ka janisa lengdo wan to ga wana nong po riboh we de khana ko wa tip ko chapang na vis haden wa lai chimenta ko ha job fair wa de pen man nin sunem yo tip uklame kitin Japanese we nang kong de onggo man I wa e bha tangwa ka dang lai giski de ye wa nang tem kam te I kuble yo menteri rang ba kam ju ya ka sarkar ko de elat ya ka we de pen slur ko la ye ki wo chim ya ka ni ko bu de ba de em ka sarkar ko e ka chan.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Shalingdo. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo Ribhoi district. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis, Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we are able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Konrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity because this kind of opportunity I could only be dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. I would like to thank our Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma for giving us this opportunity where we can walk abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to come here to gain new experience. Through this experience that I received here in Japan, I would like to go and share it to our states and country. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your support, and being the representative of our state, we'll try to give our best and will never let you down. Thank you.
Play Fibara, Kerteng Janga ada Yai Kerman Kadosau, ada National Play Umtro, Ribhoi District, Meghalaya. Kajinya lenti Janga Nadu National, Hadu Banganda Poi, Japan, Kalong, Kalenti Kabakalan. Oi, wala Shibun Kitching Henry, Ublay, Uladan Rakat Banga, Kibahaying Asam, Kiladan Rakat Banga, Kiparlok Parajon, Kibaju, I'm a sim barabor, Kibaju Long Hakti Gaman Kadiam, Kila Penyaj, Bayak Kalenti, Kalong Kalenti, Kaba Sutanat, Hadu Banganda Poi Kobe.
So we meet again. So how has everything been? How has the experience been from the beginning till now, including the training and all? How did the training go? Training went off well?
At first it was so difficult for us because it's new language.
Absolutely.
New language. It's very difficult even to write those letters. Yeah, especially the kanji. It's very difficult. So, but with the help of the tutors and all, we can.
The reason why we've taken this program very seriously is because we see that there's a great opportunity. We see that people like you, that work hard, and we are there to support you. And I personally feel that starting with the two of you, it will be a very long journey. We will see many. I was telling my friends and I was telling the investors, enough people here to have a Meghalaya Day celebration. So, apart from that, what I was telling you earlier, things may get difficult. You're away from home and all, and keep moving on. Okay, and be disciplined. Always listen to your seniors what they say. Okay, I'm sure you will. I don't have to give you a long lecture on this, but it's my duty to say it. And I was saying that you will be inspiration to many. Okay, many other girls who will want to come, other boys also will want to come. Very nice.
From there you can get a very good view of.
I'm just saying the place is very nice. It's like very spacious. I mean, for one person. I thought there were two. There's one bed here.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you once again. Good luck. Camera can see that.
Where the income set has a serious problem. They left the certificate earlier. People complain of that. That's a big issue. That's a big issue. Not delay. 30 seconds.
Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses
in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses. The first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. The government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and government of Meghalaya along with government of India is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world. Thank you very much.